Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that we talk about so often is, after all these years, all of the things within Windows 11 that have not been tweaked properly or have not been fixed in ways that people want. Dark mode is a great thing, but the problem with dark mode is that there's a lot of things that ain't dark when you're in dark mode. And this, of course, makes part of the system kind of a little iffy. It's like, well, it's light here, it's dark here. The legacy stuff doesn't follow the rules, doesn't go dark. And even the contextual menus aren't always following. Now, what we're learning is that Phantomofearth has uncovered that possibly coming in 25H2, a little more darkness. Some of the menus, like when you copy files and do different things, are going to now follow the dark mode rule rather than showing up light on the dark app or the dark system or settings. They will also follow dark, but you could see that even some buttons sometimes will maybe not be perfect, but at least they're going to work on it. So this is what it looked like before. So you could have a dialog box that was dark and white buttons and have one black button. Now the same options will actually all have dark buttons in the way that they work. So hopefully dark mode is going to be tweaked a little more, look better, because obviously we want this to be. I don't know how many people have complained about, well, I got a big problem with the dark mode. It's something that I think should be better. If you look at the Mac, even old legacy stuff, the way the Mac system has been done, when people switch to dark mode, well, you know what? They actually are getting dark everywhere. No exceptions. And this is definitely something that's missing in Windows. And don't tell me that it's that hard to have a rule that is followed everywhere. Maybe it's showing us that there's just too many parts of Windows that are done with different teams and don't, of course, work well together and obey the rules, the general rules of Windows. But hey, improvement is coming. Some more darkness when you want it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.